man. I see why people quit. This shit's not for the weak, bro. I see why people quit. I'm not gonna quit. And I know you're not gonna quit either, bro. We want this so bad. That's why we keep showing up. You showing up is already a sign of you really wanted something so bad. That's why you didn't want to quit. I don't want to call myself a quitter in the future. And I know you also don't want to be a quitter. If you're watching, don't want to quit. If you're watching for motivational speech or just people to talk in general, I know you're not watching just because you want to get some type of motivation. It's because there's something inside of you talking to you. There's something clicking inside of you. You're searching for the truth. You're searching for that voice to click with your own voice. And I'm here to tell you, bro, if you listen to my voice, just know that you are right. Deep down yourself, you know what you do. Deep down yourself, you know what path to take. Deep down yourself, you know what you do, bro. But sometimes you need to hear from a stranger, bro. Sometimes you need to hear from someone that you don't even know. It's because energy clicks with energy, bro. And you're going to achieve everything that you tell yourself. You know how the future is so bright and is waiting for you. But before you get to that point, you have to keep working. You can't stop working. You got to put the work in, bro. You just gotta need to put your head down and keep working. It's only work towards your future is gonna liberate you in the future. It's good to dream, bro. You can be dreaming about how good the future's gonna be, bro. If you don't put no work in, you're not gonna accomplish none of that. Do it because you want to do it for yourself. Have some type of reason why you're doing the things that you're doing. Man, keep some type of desire within yourself. Oh shit, I want to look like this. I want to accomplish this. Use people as a burning desire. The girls that shitted on you, bro. The niggas that did not believe in you. The people that made fun of you. Keep all of those in the back so you can use them as booster to accomplish your dream, bro. And people that come in your life and do you wrong, that don't mean they're all bad people. Sometimes it's just a lesson to be learned. Because everybody that come in your life is to teach you a lesson. We all teaching each other a lesson. We are. When someone come in your life and he do you wrong, he taught you a lesson. The next time you see the same pattern, is for you to say like, oh, I've seen this before. I've read this book before. It's up to you to be like, you know what? Yeah, I'm good. Or to be like, you know what? Nah, let me give it a second chance. Then you receive the same punishment. He do you dirt again. So sometimes people come in our life to teach us a lesson. That's why I'm not mad at none of my exes. I actually salute them, bro. I actually appreciate all of people that did me wrong. Because it made me who I am today. It shaped me for the better person that I am today. Don't be bitter. Don't hold grudges against nobody, bro. Everybody that came in your life was to teach you a lesson. From the universe, we all teachers for some lesson. We all teach different person, different lesson. Your ex might taught you that you are not enough. You might still be fat. That's why she cheated on you with the jacked guy, bro. Or with the bro that goes to the gym. You're not stylish enough. That's why she cheated on you with this camera or the nigga that get jerked. You are just not the nigga that you think that you is yet. That's why she did what she has to do. And don't blame the female, because that's just how they are wired, bro. They are wired to chase, to get the good things for their offspring, bro. Which is totally understandable. But our purpose here as men is to hold ourselves accountable. This is not about what the females did. Oh, she doesn't like me because I'm short. She doesn't like me because my nose is fat. She doesn't like me because I don't have dreads. She likes me because she don't like me because I got dreads. Either way, this is about men holding themselves accountable. Everything should be your own fault. Don't blame nobody, bro. That's a powerful mindset right there, bro. Don't blame nobody for what's happening to you. Sit down and reflect and know that you are the problem. Because I know I am the problem. Because I know in the future, if I get whatever I want, Shorty's gonna listen regardless, because money is power, don't forget that. But when you struggle to get something, you know the value of it. So it won't be easily taken for granted. Because you know how you struggle to get something So nobody can just come around you and belittle whatever you got. Chase your dreams, bro. Chase your purpose. Wake up for a reason. Don't worry about what she doing, man. Don't worry about who she talking to. Don't even worry about what she doing at all, bro. Period. Plan your life accordingly, bro, so you can become the best self of yourself. Plan your life accordingly so you can become your best version. Don't worry about nothing that she's doing. Worry about what you should be doing to become your best version, bro. Facts. It's gonna be like that for a long time. You don't see no results. I'm saying you don't see nothing happen in your life. Everybody around you is having the best life of the time. Everybody's enjoying life, but not you, bro. It's okay, bro. Everybody timing is different. It's just not your time yet. Everybody timing is different. Everybody's living life, but not you. That's cool. Put your head down, bro. God knows why it's not your turn yet. He knows why he isolated you. He knows why he letting you see everybody win. And you just at the window, staring at everybody pop bottles. But just know, when he gonna unleash you, when he gonna release you, it's because you about to make so much brouhaha, we say, that everybody gonna turn and be like, oh, wait, what happened to him? Wait, when did he become like this? Damn, is that him? You want people to look at you with like, oh my God, he looked different. There's something different about him. So don't worry if you're not winning right now. Because you are not losing. You are just learning, bro. I don't think there's such thing as losers. You're only a loser if you give up. Period. You're only a loser when you give up, bro. Why do you even want to give up, bro? Like, you shouldn't even try to give up. Giving up is not an option. If you give up early, you're just a loser, bro. And I got no remorse for you. I don't care if you give up, bro. Just get out of here, bro. We're not giving up over here, bro. This is not for people that gives up. We're going to keep doing it even though we don't see no progress. We see no type of movement. We just going to keep going until it picks up. And that's all the message I have for you today, my G. Put your head down and cry. I'm gone.